My name is Lane Lambarth. I work with McKinstry. I am a construction project manager with the energy department. A construction project manager basically takes a project that has been developed already, so the scope has been defined, the budget has probably been defined, and I take that project and I bring it to fruition. I manage the scope, schedule, budgets. I get subcontractors lined up. I interface with our clients to make sure that the project gets completed on time, on budget, and meets the customer's needs. Being a construction project manager in the energy department, all of our projects, we're looking at how we can make the built environment more energy efficient. Whether that be adding insulation, upgrading their systems so that they're using less energy, changing their light bulbs, or adding a solar system so that they can generate some of their own energy. All of those kind of come together into the kind of projects that we do. In development of a solar project, you're working with an electrical engineer. Sometimes you're working with a structural engineer to make sure the rooftop has the load capacity to hold those panels. Then it's finding the best modules, the best inverters, the best equipment, getting it ordered, getting your subcontractors lined up, and then getting them all organized to install. Whether it be ground mount or up on the roof. If you're doing a rooftop installation, you're going to be working with electricians, you're going to work with general laborers putting the racking together, you're going to be working with roofing contractors. You're doing a ground mount system, you're going to have some civil work, so you might have somebody who has to do excavation, but then again, you're going to be working with some general labor and electricians to install the system. I think a construction project manager, communication is probably the most important aspect. Second would be planning. You have to enjoy planning, putting a project together, planning it. How are you going to do it? Bringing those resources in. Those two, are probably the most important. I have an undergraduate degree in project management. I also have a certificate. I'm a professional project manager through PMI, which is a international organization for accreditation of project managers. Through those two, I definitely have had the training on the framework of how to manage a project and the common language used amongst project managers. The specifics around the type of work I've done, I've learned, in the field or at my desk, talking to mechanical engineers or electrical engineers or structural engineers, or, I am not an engineer. I didn't come into this knowing much about mechanical systems, but all of that I've learned enough so that I can manage the projects to fruition. What I like most about this job is that I'm able to apply my education. I'm able to apply a skill set that I naturally have. I enjoy planning and organizing things. I enjoy working with multiple different types of people. In this role, you are dealing with stakeholders. You could be talking to a CEO or a county commissioner one day, and the next day you're talking to an engineer or a plumber or a custodian. So, I just get to interact with lots of different people. I enjoy that I'm not stuck at a desk 24/7. I get to go out and be on projects periodically and see different parts of our state, which I normally probably wouldn't go to, so it's great. I enjoy it a lot.